Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to change the clutch lever and the brake lever on the cb1000r. So it's really easy. You got a 10mm bolt under here, so we start from removing that. So there you go, that's your 10mm bolt. And then we just take this out with a screwdriver. And the lever comes away like so. And then you see this little thing here, you gotta remove that from inside. Just push it through. Oops. And then you drop it on the floor, like me. And then you pop it in the new one, okay, facing the way your cable is gonna go into this hole. I'm just gonna put a little grease on here as well, real quick. Let's just put a little grease on it as well, so like so. And then we want that hole to go on that thing there, like so. Okay. Then you can put a little grease on here as well, on this bolt. Clean it up and put a little grease. So I'm just gonna quickly do that. Okay then, bolt is all greased up. Goes in there. If I can manage to. Second. Okay, then you grab your screwdriver, screw it down. Clean any excess grease afterwards. Grab your 10mm nut and bolt it back where it was. And that's it, that's done. And then you can just adjust how you like it. So I'm probably gonna have it on number 2 or number 3 myself on the clutch here. And now we're gonna do this same on the other side, on the front brake. So we're gonna unbolt our 10mm from underneath the lever. If it moves on the top, just put the screwdriver on the top, stop it from moving. Easy stuff. Okay, 10mm is out. Let's unscrew this bolt. Okay, so same thing, we clean the bolt, just a little grease in there, then this pops up like this. Okay, so we grab our new one. So this thing here has got to go in the hole there. So, shut Claudia, 1 second. See if we can get it in there, lined up. See in there. I think so. Right, that's in there, first time. I think, let me double check. Yeah, that's in there. So I'm just gonna quickly clean the bolt. Just give it a wipe, it's quite clean. And put a little grease and stick it back on. Okay, grease on the bolt, in it goes. Doesn't want to go down. Move this a little bit to align the hole. There we go. Is that home now? Get it all the way down till it stops. Keep a little wipe if you got any excess grease. Then grab your 10mm bolt, nut, bolt, whatever it's called, nut. Put it back on there. Same thing as the other side. Don't need to lean on this too much because otherwise we'll break things. If it moves, just put your screwdriver on top, and that's it. Done. Front brake is done. You can adjust it as well. To adjust, you just move it forward, and then you select it how you like it. Right, there we go, we're done. cb1000 on the cb1000r. Clutch and front brake lever switched around to new ones. These ones are short ones. And this is the same for any bike really. So thanks for watching guys, have a good day.